without focusing too much on the latter half of this meme, I think let's just focus on the idea that very dangerous ang mga taong nagpapanggap. Because it's easier to have a conversation when you know what or who you're standing up for. It's easy to create dialogue. But if you're pretending, it creates a dynamic where instead of learning and progress, ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon tayo ng 2 steps back. May mga unknowns, may mga sinusubukan tayong gawin na akala natin may progress pero yun pala dahil nagpapanggap lang napupunta sa wala. Let's focus on picking a side and sticking to it and as much as possible supporting your case with factual information. I respect this comment. I think it's high time for us to have this kind of dialogue when it comes to politics. I think ibig sabihin niya mas mabuting may paninindigan ka kesa nagpapanggap kang neutral pero enabler ka rin naman. Mas delikado kasing personality yun. There you go. Simply put, yun na yun.